Hey everyone, welcome back to Wild with Cyril. Today I'm sitting at a restaurant in the Cotswolds and I'm going to do a bit of fly fishing. I've seen a fish rising just there and I think that I've got a good chance of catching it. So let's give this a shot, shall we? Right, always have your Polaroids on.
It's not focusing. There we go. It's not focusing. Okay, I got it somewhere.
There's things rising to this.
Already making spectacle.
He almost had it. He almost had it. He literally had it in his mouth.
There's somebody sitting like right there, just so you know. So don't like splash them with water.
If you're gonna try something smaller, there'll a fish coming right up to it. Guys, I'm so close.
I'm just waiting until someone comes up and tells us to not do that. Meanwhile,
girlfriend is having a lovely drink. Don't worry, I'm doing all the driving at the moment, guys.
Like I can't take you anywhere.
No, that's drama. Bit of relationship drama. No, it's not. Did you catch that flash?
Was there a flash or something?
That was like a splash.
Oh.
Yeah, there are like loads of little fishies here.
I don't know why everyone's decided to come out now.
Got him! Woo! Hey! Did you get that? Alright everyone, this is a fishy, lovely little chublet here.
Okay, got it.
We got it, lovely little chublet, let's get him out. There he goes.
No.
There you guys, catching a fish at a restaurant. By the way guys, this was actually at a restaurant of a hotel that we're staying at, so we have full permission to do this, don't worry. So after that adventure by the restaurant, we've come down to a little pool here that we're going to have a little go at. I'm going to go for dry fly first, and then I might switch to a nymph, just because the dry fly seem to have such a good effect on those fish by the restaurant. Let's get cracking. Well, I am seeing right now a lot of sort of surface type activity around here, so oh, I can see fishies. I can see lots of little fishies rising, so this is where it goes out to a little culvert. It seems like there's a lot of sort of coarse fish in this stream, but coarse fish take the fly too, don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Oh, tiny little minnows there, coming up and inspecting that. Teeniest little minnows ever. Teeny minnows. Gonna try a bit closer to the bank, see if anything's near that wall. Mouth for a bit. The only thing that seems to be rising are little bait fish. The thing is, everything here is little, it's not big enough to swallow the bait. Just sort of mouthful a bit. I might switch over to a nymph just because the only thing that seems to be rising are little bait fish. Yeah, there's loads of little fishies going for it, but they're all too small. They're like nudging it when they try and eat it. Right, back now at the restaurant now. Speaking to the camera. At the restaurant again. Gonna see. Okay. Yep. We gave it a look, but a bit too slow, really. We've seen loads of little minnows around. Loads of them. You know, so there's obviously fish here. It's just all of them very, very small. Okay guys, we got something. We got something. Whoa, Jesus. We got something big. We got something really big. Whoa! It's a nice brownie. Whoa! Ah, right. It's a nice brownie. And we are in the net. Woo! Thank you for an audience here. Right, well, let's get some let's get the fly out and some nice footage. Don't know how much you can hear me over the sound of this, but this is my brownie I caught. Lovely, big, beautiful fella. Right, better get him out and get him returned. Hey guys, so might have not been able to hear very well, but that was a beautiful Cotswolds brownie caught on a nymph. I knew there would be something working, living in that weir, and sure enough there was. That must have been at least about, you know, 2 pounds, that brown trout, which is absolutely great for a river caught. So yeah, so that's brown trout caught from the Cotswolds, in addition to a small chublet caught from the Cotswolds on the dry fly while sitting at a restaurant. So yeah. That's been a heck of a day. If you like this content, guys, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. It really helps me out. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time.